Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and today I kinda decided to change the locations where I shoot. I'm currently at Spaces shooting this video because when I was home I really couldn't find my creative juices for me to shoot the review, a quick review of this phone. Now, as I had promised that I was going to use this phone for a while and then come back to you guys and give you my final thoughts on it. Now, I still like the camera it's using, as I mentioned in my previous video, a 12 megapixel wide angle camera right at the back, and the pictures that this guy take are really much better than the phone that I was using before, which was the iPhone 10, and the pictures are much clearer, contrast is also much good, and even the dynamic range also is really good. Now the front, you have Retina liquid display screen, which Apple says is the best LCD screen that they ever put on a phone. Now, because I was coming from the iPhone 10, which was using an LED display, I really noticed a downgrade on this display. You can actually, depending on what are you looking at, you can actually see pixelating. And also, if you grab both phones and put hand to hand, you're also going to notice that this screen has a lesser quality than the other one, but that shouldn't be a reason for you not to get this guy. Now, this is using a 6.1 display, which is much bigger than the one that you'll find on the iPhone 10, and this is one of the reasons also I'm not going to be using this phone as my main device, because it's a little bit bigger than the other one, and I could find myself really struggling to get from top to bottom when I'm navigating on the phone. Apart from this thing, this phone is really pretty fast. I'm loving the yellow, as you guys have noticed that I keep talking about the yellow color, and that's also one thing that might make you guys get this phone, is that it comes in different color. It actually comes in 6 color. I have this yellow one, you have the white, the black, you have the product red, you have the coral, and you have the blue. And just like the iPhone 10 and the iPhone 10X Max, you also gonna be getting a wireless charging if you guys like charging your phone wirelessly, which is actually, I feel like it's pretty fast. It's just grab the phone, place it on the mat, and it charges. Now, in terms of feature that you're gonna be missing on this guy, one of them specifically that you might notice is that this one only comes with one camera, so you're going to be missing that telephoto lens or the telephoto camera that comes on the iPhone 10 and 10X Max. But you're still going to be getting portrait mode. Now, this 12 megapixel wide angle camera, it's also capable of doing portrait mode, but you're only gonna be able to take portrait pictures of people and not object. Now, in terms of other feature that this guy is missing, you will also be missing the force touch, which is something that I actually missed a lot, because I'm always going to Instagram, and it actually is much easier for you to force touch and feel the haptic feedback when you actually force touch. And if you want to go a further step, you hold it harder and then it's going to go actually inside the picture. But if that's a feature that you guys actually don't really mind, then you're not going to be missing that feature at all. Now, who is this phone for? Now, if you are coming from anything below the iPhone 10, I would really recommend you guys maybe skip the iPhone 10 and get this one, because you're gonna get faster speeds than you get on the iPhone 10. But if you're coming from the iPhone 10, I say that skip also this guy. You either upgrade, that's if you don't have already a phone, you either upgrade to an iPhone 10X or you stay on the iPhone 10, because you are really going to notice the difference in screen if you are coming from that phone, because this phone is using LCD and the other phone is using an LED display. And also in terms of budget, if you are really on a budget but still want an iPhone, I'd say you go with this one, because any other that you go for is going to cost you much more than this. And as I was searching the other day, the iPhone 10, most of them have been discontinued from Apple Store, and you're not going to be able to pick that guy anymore unless you go to a third-party retailer and get the iPhone 10. So this is gonna be it for this video. I hope this video was helpful if you are looking to pick up an iPhone. If you have any other questions, you can always drop them in the comments down below. Otherwise, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, obviously give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Now the dogs are going crazy. Peace.